Guys, welcome back. So I did a bunch of the same things today. If you remember a while back, I did these boxes on the ceiling going outside, and what do you know, they built a soffit right on top of it. So I had to move these out on the 6th, 5th, and 4th floor. So basically just put a coupling on there, extended that out, and I had to cut this one right here and then offset into the box. And I did that on all 3 floors. Each one is a little bit different, but I got it strapped and all that good stuff. This one has a strap right behind here. Yeah, so I put a spreader bar right there to strap that one. And then I'll try to show you the other ones as I go downstairs. But it's pretty much the same thing. And I'll go show you back in the panel room again. Alright guys, so in here, the 5th pipe over this little one right here, I had to add another home run pipe into the panel room. So that one is stubbed in right there, and then I got it going out here, this one right here, going along across the ceiling. Let me walk through the wall real quick, and mercy. And then I got that, I think it's this one. And then I kicked it up onto the wall, and then it's gonna go into a box on top of the ceiling, like right there on top of this. Actually, it's gonna be probably on top of this angled one right there. So I'm just gonna try to 90 right into the top of it and then strap it somehow. So that's what I'm gonna be working on tomorrow in the morning probably. So upstairs there was a box that I put back together that I forgot the mud ring on because I didn't have one, but these 2 boxes were over here, but they framed this thing in right here, so I had to move these over. Luckily I didn't have to bend this, which was nice. So I just moved these boxes over so I could avoid that box on the back side. Strapped it to the back of that one and then to the front of this one right there. And then I just took that wire and just kind of angled it, which hopefully is okay because I didn't want to re-pull it. So that's what I did on that one. And then this box right here was flopping, so I re-screwed this side down because they also framed in something right here. So we just got that loose, so I got that loose for them, so if they needed to frame around it, but I guess I don't think they did, I'm not sure, but screw this back down so that box is good to go now. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry for the quiet spots. There were some people around making lots of noise and just around in general. Anyways, pretty much the same stuff, repetitive over and over. Same stuff on 6th floor, 5th floor, and the 4th floor. And then I'll be doing that on the 3rd floor and 2nd floor tomorrow if I run out of things to do. So yeah, that's what I worked on today. I feel like I forgot a bunch of things. Another quick 10-hour day, and another 10-hour day tomorrow and Thursday, and then 8 hours on Friday. So I'll be getting 8 hours overtime this week for a total of 48 hours. That about wraps up the video, and if you enjoyed and want to help grow my channel, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you guys back here tomorrow, and yeah, so if you guys help me out with the likes and subscribes, then I can do more giveaways and stuff like that, as that generates revenue and all that good stuff. So if you also forgot or didn't know, I am doing a giveaway right now. It ends on Thursday at 4 p.m. So a little over 48 hours, a little under 48 hours. So go check that out. It's a few videos back. If you want a chance to win a tool, there's like 6 or 7 choices. And good luck to you. I will see you guys later. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.